This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Stella Tornabena. Step inside this exquisite and most sought-after Conrad floor plan with breathtaking views. This stunning 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom residence plus a spacious upstairs loft has been thoughtfully crafted and encompasses 3,381 living square feet. The gourmet kitchen is a dream featuring 42 inches wood cabinets with ample storage, beautiful porcelain tile floors, sleek granite countertops, breakfast bar and stainless steel appliance package. The formal living and dining room is perfect for any host or hostess. The entertaining spaces merge seamlessly. The family room is surrounded by a wall of glass sliders that stream in an abundance of natural light. The spacious master suite is located on the second level of the home and offers 2 generous walk-in closets. The master bath is your very own luxurious retreat with a soaking garden tub, dual vanities with granite counters, linen closet and walk-in shower. There are 3 additional expansive bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a spacious loft on the second level that is a perfect media room, game room, or play area. There is a guest suite on the main level with an adjacent full bathroom with a walk-in shower. Enjoy your spectacular outdoor oasis with a jaw-dropping serene pond view and mature landscaping. Additional highlights include tile roof, paver driveway and lanai and fenced backyard. Lawn care is bundled in the HOA, and there is a 24-hour gate attendant. Dive into the resort-style lifestyle where you'll enjoy the beach entry pool, lap pool, cabanas, waterslide and splash pad area. For the sport enthusiast, there are 4 lighted clay tennis courts, a basketball court, fitness center, and beach volleyball. Located minutes from A-rated schools. Ideally located to the shops at Wiregrass, Tampa Premium Outlets, Advent Health Hospital, Center Ice, the new Radd Sports Complex, restaurants and more. The Ridge at Wiregrass Ranch by GL Homes where luxury has a new address. For more information, review the details below or contact Stella Tornabena at 954-593-8281.